Good morning. It's Tuesday. She looks like a cat. The cutout looks like her. That's a cat pox. I find that incredibly annoying. If I were living in this part of the house, I would have had that fixed by now. They don't even notice it. She noticed it this morning. She said, "What is that? Is that a bird?" I said, "That's your siding." When the wind blows, it squeaks and it sounds like a bird. Never noticed it. Never noticed it. 4 years. Never noticed it. Oh my goodness. Some people just walk through life oblivious to what's going on around them. Yeah, she knows it's not a bird. It's not a bird. Naughty bird. Is Frankie having her breakfast? I don't really feel like going out. It's windy. It's raining. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. How can you not notice that? Let's go downstairs to where it's a little quieter. Not so much Oh, I forgot to take my recycling up. Okay, I'll do that later. Now I have constant noise here because I like having the radio on. And I don't like silence. I like background noise, but not squeaking background noise. Let's put this somewhere else. I'll put it there. Okay, so I have to go and get that signed, and I have to, and passport. Okay, so that has nothing to do with anything that's current. So signed by the doctor sometime. Passport. Oh my goodness, I nearly passport. So that does. Yep, that's this. Okay, wow, I nearly did not take that long. That goes tomorrow. Tomorrow, dentist. When are we doing the passport thing? It's May. Okay, so it's not tomorrow. It goes. All right, so dentist tomorrow. Why dentist? Really? I thought you were done with the dentist. Twice you said you're done with the dentist. Still, you're not done with the dentist. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. No needles, though. No needles. Ow! I was going to walk to the mailbox to get my thing that I have here from Moen. It came yesterday. I didn't mention to my son because I thought he would be bringing stuff from the mailbox because he does it Monday, Wednesday, Friday. He didn't do it yesterday. So I thought I'll do it tomorrow. Well, it's not nice out there. And it's not that serious. And I've got something, a crick. So I will walk that out before I walk that out when it's not a nice day. I'll walk it out around the house. Okay. Okay. Teeth are brushed. I just have to get dressed and make my bed. Wow. I haven't made my bed. Holy smokes.